Hello there. Today's webinar is about financial management for small and medium-sized enterprises. One thing that small businesses have in common is their lack of skills in financial management. You'll notice that the small business owners are spending a lot of time marketing using lead generation strategies, and hardly any time is spent analysing the financial situation, designing pricing systems, saving tax and reinvesting profits into their business. Today, you'll see how easy it is to really improve cash flow if you address the financial elements rather than keep flogging things such as lead generation. You'll also see that better financial management produces increased profits and with less tax. If you do nothing about tax, it drains away, just goes down the rat hole. But if you decide to plug the leak where you're losing tax, your bathtub fills up with more money, and that money can be spent on more advertising and marketing to increase sales, to get new customers, and ultimately become more profitable. After all, what most businesses want is improved profits. They want more sales. They want a marketing advertising campaign that actually works, and ultimately they like to build the value of their business so they can retire comfortably when they choose and not keep working indefinitely for peanuts and crumbs. Today's webinar is presented by Eurotrade, the investment bank. Business owners who lack the skills in financial decision making have to go to other people for advice, such as their accountant. The problem there is their accountant is quite busy and they only see them once or twice a year, and at best once every few months. What small business needs is not just an accountant, but a financial consultant and an improvement in their own skills so they're more capable of making the vital decisions on things such as pricing, investment, rebating and marketing campaigns, and the overall management of the business and the investment of the profits. Small businesses look for ways to improve cash flow. They can start there by reducing or deferring tax, because the money that you don't lose in tax is available to be spent. Similarly, with costs, if you can improve the handling of your invoicing and the costs of your marketing and advertising and your overheads, again there's more money filling up the bathtub that you have available to spend on additional marketing without any real additional out-of-pocket costs. Ultimately, ploughing back more money into more marketing increases profits, and that ultimately builds the value of your business. Now, if you're a business owner, you have a number of decisions to make on a daily basis, and you also will be looking long term at how to improve cash flow. At the same time, reduce your tax and expand marketing. How would you like to be able to do all that for free? That is, for no out-of-pocket costs, and increase your sales, get more customers, and increase the value of your business multifold. There are a number of strategies for improving cash flow. You can start by looking at your costs. Then you can have a look at your marketing budgets and how you apply the funds that you release into more an expansive marketing campaign. The marketing campaigns will deliver extra sales and generate new customers, and the revenue that comes from there, assuming that there is a high profit margin, is available to be reinvested into your business, and it can be continually reinvested and compound exponentially. So what do you save to be able to improve cash flow, reduce tax, and expand marketing for free, and thereby increase sales, get more customers, and build the value of your business? Exponential compounding is achievable simply by reinvesting your profits. When you make a profit, when you make some money and you put that back into your business, you make more profit, you put that profit back into your business, and so on and so forth. Compounding then your sales, your customers, your profits, and also increasing your cash flow. It's a fairly simple process, and it starts with how you manage the revenues that come in. However, at some point in time, you will need to scale up. You will need to invest some of your increased revenues into increasing the size of your operation, putting on more staff, maybe taking additional premises, and in the early stages then the scaling up drains or diverts some of the profits away from the reinvestment into sales activity. Ultimately, once you've scaled up, then you continue the process, continuing to reinvest in advertising and marketing.